Jessica. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to our kitchen, and this is the Half Pint Soup. Today we are doing a stuffed burger, which instead of stacking your burger with bacon, tomato, lettuce, all of the fixings that you put on top, this burger you mix it all inside the meat. So the only thing that you have to top it with is lettuce. I originally saw this recipe using ground chicken and scallions, and it was more of, I guess, an Asian-inspired burger, but we decided to make it our own and do it with ground beef and all the typical things that you would put on a burger. So, are you ready? Okay, so we have a pound and a half of ground beef. To that, we're gonna add 6 slices of bacon that we chopped up. Pour that in there. Good job. We're gonna add 1 cup of onions. Go ahead, pour it in. 1 cup of onions. They're all in there. Okay, we're gonna add a cup of shredded cheese. That's mozzarella, but you can use any kind of shredded cheese that you want. Dump that in. We're gonna add about 1/3 cup of chopped fresh basil. Pour it in. We're gonna add about 4 or 5 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Put that in. Good job. Tomatoes. We chopped up a tomato and we covered it with olive oil, salt and pepper, and we roasted them for about 30 minutes. So pick those up and put those in there. I was gonna cut them up, but they got so cooked in there that you don't even have to cut them. They're just kind of falling apart, which is what you want. Okay, now we're gonna do kosher salt. And yeah, put the shake some kosher salt on there. Shake, shake, and then I'll do the freshly ground black pepper. That's good. Okay, stick your hands in there and mix. Smush it. Smush it. You got a lot of smushing to do. Okay, so we have our meat. We flattened it out into like a big disc that's about 1 inch thick. Okay, so you take this. I want you to put it right there and smush it down to make the burger. Okay, so we have our fresh hamburger buns. Brush those with olive oil. You can use olive oil or butter. We're going to use olive oil and then put them, get some more. Put them face down in the panini maker to kind of toast them lightly.
I'm going to do it in the next one.
Okay, we'll keep going.